This one is interesting. We will look at two ways to solve this question. Without stoppages, the average speed is 90 km per hour, but with stoppages, the average speed is 80 km per hour. Okay, average speed is what? Average speed is total distance upon total time. When we take stoppages into consideration, this total time increases because time taken for stoppages is also included. When denominator increases, this overall value decreases. So average speed decreases from 90 km per hour to 80 km per hour. And we have to calculate how many minutes per hour does the train take to stop. We have to calculate stoppages per hour. As we are calculating for 1 hour, let us take everything for 1 hour only. Earlier, in case 1, train covered 90 km in 1 hour. Okay, in 1 hour. In case 2, train covers 80 km plus stoppages. So when this stoppage is not there, 10 extra kilometers are covered. That simply means time taken by train to cover these 10 extra kilometers is the time that train is taking in case 2 for stoppages. Okay, this 90 is what? 80 plus 10. Okay, 80 kilometer train is covering here, 80 is train is covering in second case as well. But these 10 kilometers extra, that time that train took to cover these 10 kilometers extra is now converted into stoppage time. Okay, so basically time train used to cover 10 kilometers at a speed of 90 km per hour, that is 10 upon 90, distance upon speed. These many hours is the stoppage time that train is taking in case 2. This will be equal to 10 upon 90 into 60 minutes. When we convert it into minutes, this will give us 6.66 minute, that is 6 minute, and 2 by 3 minute. 2 by 3 minute when converted to seconds will be 6 minute, and 2 by 3 into 60 is 40 seconds. This is the time train take for stoppages every hour when it is going with an average speed of 80 km per hour. We'll solve this question with second method now. Let's assume a distance which is equal to LCM of 90 and 80. Distance which is equal to LCM of 90 and 80. This will simplify the calculation. Distance is 720 kilometers. Okay. Now time taken without stoppages. Time taken without stoppages is 720, distance upon speed, that is 90. This will be 8 hours. And time taken with stoppages will be 720 upon 80, that is 9 hours. Again we can say in case 1, train is taking 8 hours. In case 2, train is taking 9 hours. That is 8 hour plus 1 hour. In case 2, we have stoppages included. Okay, this simply means earlier 8 hours was the running time. In second case also the distance is same, so 8 hour is the running time, but this 1 extra hour is the stoppage time, right? Without the stoppages, train covers the distance in 8 hours. That means out of these 9 hours, train must be running for 8 hours and would have taken a stoppage of 1 hour. So we have 1 hour stoppage in total 9 hour journey. That means stoppage per hour is 1 upon 9. And if we convert it into minute, we will multiply by 60. And this will again give 6.66 minute or 6 minute 40 second. That's it for this video. I hope you are now comfortable with the concept of average speed. Thank you.